Hermitage Gardens at Greenvale. Located within the Normanby ward and among the 1 acre mansions is your destination to 7 Piccadilly Court, Greenvale. Renovated throughout, this prestigious family home sits on a corner block measuring 760 square metres and features the space, the comfort and the luxuries the whole family will appreciate. An awesome home in a prime location. This home provides the convenience of a fantastic single level designed home with the added benefit of a downstairs multi-purpose room, ideal for gymnasium, home office, theatre room, games room. The choice is yours. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I'm Jason Sassine from Jason Real Estate and I look forward to seeing you at our next viewing. Thank you for watching.